So we are seeing this topic machine input output. In the previous class, we already began the topic, and we also saw a few things, a few basics, and how to solve problems. Basically, we learned that. So in this class, we are going to just start and begin with the problem solving. So this is the first problem. When a word and number arrangement machine is given an input line of words and numbers, it arranges them following a particular rule. The following is an illustration of input and rearrangement. All the numbers are two-digit numbers. So if you see here, okay, this is the input and the steps are also provided, and also it's given that step 5 is the last step of the above arrangement as the intended arrangement is obtained. Okay, so if step 5 is the last step, final step, it means you will have to compare input with step 5 and figure out what operation would have been applied. Okay, so once you figure that out, also you have to observe what changes have been done from step to step, because the same operation you will have to apply to this new input that's provided. Okay, you'll have to apply the same operation here and figure out all the steps and the final step for this input, and based on that you will be able to answer these 5 questions. So quickly figure out what is happening here, what is the operation that have been applied. So apple 42 16 egg 34 fan grapes 25 91 horse. Okay, what do you think have happened? Final step is horse, grapes, fan, apple, egg, 19, 24, 43, 52, 61. So I see that all the words have been arranged first and then all the numbers. But if you look at the numbers, they are arranged in ascending order. But if you look more closely, the numbers have actually been uh, reversed. Okay, 42 became 24, 16 became 61, 34 became 43, 25 became 52 and 91 became 19. Okay, so first the reverse, like first they have been reversed and then they have been arranged in alphabetic order. And about the words, it's horse, grapes, fan, apple, egg. So it was going all good. It was going in reverse alphabetic order, H, G, F. But then if they would have given E and A, it would have been fine. But why A and G? It was going in reverse alphabetic order, right? Horse, grapes, fan. But then apple and egg. How? So the reason is apple and egg are the words starting with vowels. Okay, so for words starting with consonants, the words are arranged in reverse alphabetic order first. After that, there are words starting with vowels arranged in forward alphabetic order. After that, there are numbers arranged in ascending order. Okay, so once all of this is clear, you have to check step by step. So in step 1 you can see only no so in step 1 horse is arranged from the left end and 19 is arranged from the right end. 19, why? Because 19 have to come to the center. So if you see, the arrangement is done like that, like horse have been arranged like this and 19, so it's later going to go like that: horse, grapes, apple, fan, apple, right, egg, like that. And this side 19 is going to shift inside, 24 is going to like come from back, then 43, 52, 61, and then this 19 will come to the center. Okay, do you see that? 19 is arranged first and then it goes on shifting, and 24 comes in, then 43, then 52, and then 61. And this side, horse is arranged first and then grapes, fan, apple, egg goes on coming in. What can't you see? Is the question not visible? No, but it's appearing for me when I am watching it. Please refresh once. Okay. So now stepwise, we also got stepwise what's happening. So you just have to apply the same concept, same operations to this new input. The new input given is ant, 43, 17, eagle, 24, forest, gun, 25, 81, and house. Okay, apply the same operation to this input and get the steps and the final output. Once you have that, you will be able to answer these questions. So do it, find the steps. Okay, before you start writing the steps, it's better to figure out the final output. Okay, so final output here is going to be house will be first. House, gun, forest, then that's done, consonant words, then vowels, so ant and eagle in forward alphabetic order. So house, gun, forest, ant, eagle. After that the numbers, but the numbers are not just arranged like that, you will have to also reverse them. So 43 will become 34, 17 will become 71, 42 will become, sorry, 24 will become 42, 25 will become 52, and 81 will become 18. So the first numbers will be 34, then 42, 52, and then 71. Okay, and now you can just like what was happening here, how stepwise how it's arranged. First the first word and the first word and first number is arranged first, and then from here it keeps on pushing, and from here also it goes on like inserting. Do that. apply that on this input. Difficulty level, it's good only, it's not very easy and not very tough. So if you are just clear with the concepts of each topic, you'll be able to solve it. No need to worry. Quant ka to I can't tell. DI still I've seen a few questions. It's solvable. Directly the data is provided in a table or bar graph generally. एंड देन उस पर क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, तो बहुत ही नॉर्मल सा डीआई का बहुत ही स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सा क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, है ना. क्वांट का आप दूसरे एडुकेटर से पूछ सकते हो जिनकी क्वांट की क्लास चल रही है एमएच सीईटी के लिए, है ना. वो आपको ज़्यादा बेटर बता पाएंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. विल टेक द न्यू इनपुट दैट्स प्रोवाइडेड. ठीक है, और स्टेप्स आप जब लिख लोगे तो इस तरह आपको मिलेंगे. हाउस और 18 को सबसे पहले अरेंज किया, फिर आया यहाँ पे गन और यहाँ पे 34, फिर यहाँ आया फॉरेस्ट, यहाँ आया 42, यहाँ पे एंट, यहाँ 52 और यहाँ ईगल, यहाँ 71. तो टोटल 5 स्टेप्स लगे, विच मीन्स स्टेप 5 इज द फाइनल स्टेप. अब इस पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं जो कि आपको आंसर करने हैं. सो which element comes exactly between 17 and 25 in step 3 of the given input. In step 3 between 17 and 25 क्या है? Equal. So option C. Question 2. If in the second step 17 interchanges its position with 25, okay, second step 17 interchanges position with 25 and gun interchanges position with forest. Gun interchanges position with forest. Then which element will be second from the left end? Second from the left is gun now. So if gun is interchanging position with forest, it will be forest. The answer is option E. Next question. Which of the following combination represent the first two and the last two elements in step 4? In step 4, first two is house and gun and last two is 42 and 52. So house, gun, 42, 52, option D. Question 4. Which element is third to the left of the one which is eighth from the left in step 3? Step 3, eighth from the left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 18. Third to the left of 18 is 1, 2, 3. It's 17. Answer is option A. Question 5. In which step are the elements and 17 equal 25 found in the same order, and 17 equal 25, and 17 equal 25. It's in step 3, third step, option A. Next problem. So here also input is provided, steps are given, and step 4 is the last step, it's given. You need to figure out what operation have been applied, and once you do that, you'll have to apply the same on this new input that's provided. And once you take the steps, you can answer the questions. Solve it. Tell me what is the operation that have been applied. Okay, so input is race car, 7, mom, 12, 16, earth, 9, noon, 5, and union. And the final output is mom, 5, earth, noon, 16, noon, 7, union, 12, race car, and 9. Okay, so what do you think have happened here? On basis of what this arrangement have been done? So I don't see any alphabetic like increment or decrement. M E then N and then U and then R. It's not making any sense to me, right? But still you have to observe something. So if you don't like, if ever, even in numbers, if you see it's 5 then 16 and then 7, 12, 9, it's neither increasing nor decreasing. So whenever, if you can't find any increasing or decreasing order, what you need to do is take alternative elements like 5, 7, 9. So, and then 16, 12. So what you will see now is 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers and they are arranged in increasing order. And 16 and 12 are even numbers and they are arranged in decreasing order. Okay. Similarly for the words, take mom, noon, and race car. What is common between them? They are all palindromes. What are palindromes? पैलिंड्रोम्स आर द वंस जो कि सामने से रीड करो या पीछे से रीड करो, इट्स द सेम. MOM, MOM, NOON, NOON, RACE, CAR, RACECAR, right? So palindromes hai, and the palindromes are like arranged in increasing order or increasing alphabetic order. You can say no. Rather than that, you can say that it's arranged in increasing number of alphabets. Okay, and then these two words, earth and union, they are arranged in, they are just like normal words which are not palindromes, and they are arranged in forward alphabetic order. So how is this order? The final step pattern is three letter palindrome, then an odd number, then word, then even number, then five letter palindrome, then odd number, word, even number, seven letter palindrome, then odd number. Okay, so now we have a new input: rotator, 9, wow, 14, 18, orange, 11, radar, 5, and union. This new input, you will have to find the steps like we had here. Okay, so observe this and do the same, apply the same thing on this new input, find all the steps. Once you have all the steps, you'll be able to answer the questions. Do it. Okay, so what will be the final output? Wow will come first. Wow, then the smallest odd number is 5. So wow, 5, orange, 18, radar, 9, union, 14, rotator, and 11. This will be the final output, and the arrangement takes place how? One element at a time. Only mom is arranged first. No, mom and 9 are arranged. Okay, first and the last have been arranged. So mom and 9 are arranged first, then 5 and race car, then earth and 12, then 16 and union, and noon and 7 gets auto arranged in the previous thing. Similarly, try here also. When we do it, we see that here also in 4 steps it's done. Now we will answer the questions. Which element comes exactly between 9 and 18 in step 2 of the given input? In step 2, exactly between 9 and 18, we have 14, option B. If in the third step, 9 interchanges position with 14, okay, third step, 9 interchanges position with 14, and orange interchanges position with rotator, then which element will be to the immediate left of 18? Sorry, immediate right of 18. 18 is here, and immediate right of 18 is 9. Right, but 9 is interchanging position with whom? With 14. So the answer will be 14 then. Which of the following combinations represent the third and the fifth element from the left end of step 3? Left end of step 3, third and fifth element is orange and 9. Option B. Question 4. Which element is fifth to the right of the one which is eighth from the right in step 2 of the given input? Fifth to the right of the one which is eighth from the right. Step 2. Step 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 from the right here is 9. And fifth to the right of that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union. The answer is option C. Question 5. In which step are the elements 5, 9, 14, 18 orange found in the same order? 5, 9, 14, 18 orange in step 2. So answer is second, option C. Right? So with that we are done. We'll stop here. We'll see more examples tomorrow. Okay, I have a lot more questions to solve, so we'll see them tomorrow. In tomorrow's class, we'll continue and see some more questions. If you have also some doubt, you can get it. So that's it for today. And if you're planning to go for CAT 2020 preparation, you can plan it with Unacademy Plus. So it's the most reasonable and most valuable thing right now, because instead of spending lakhs of rupees in traditional offline classes where you don't even have a choice to select your own teacher, select your own educator whom you want to learn from, and all those things, the batches and all the things. Okay, here you get to select your own educators. There are 20 plus educators and you get access to all the classes, so it's your choice. You can like decide which educators classes you want to attend. Also the timings is in your hand, so the classes starts from early 7 in the morning and goes on till 12 in the night. So depending on whether you are working or studying or whatever time you are free, you can attend the classes. Okay, plus mock test is also included. The 1 year course is for 17,500, but if you use my referral code, which is RIYA.YT, you get the course for 15,750 for a year, including mock tests. What else do you need? And you don't have to go anywhere. So the time that you would have used for traveling, you can now save that and use it for your own practice purpose, because that's very important. Okay, this exam can't be cracked without practice. From whomever you are learning, you'll have to practice. Unless you do that, you can't crack the exam. So you can decide for yourself. And I just informed you about the 1 year course, but there are other options as well: 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, 2 years. Okay, if you want to start an early preparation, there is 2 years option as well. So you can visit the website or check it on an Academy Learning app. Okay, and you don't forget to use my referral code, which is RIYA.YT, to get a flat 10% discount on whichever plan you are opting for. That's it for today. I'll see you in tomorrow's class and we'll continue with the same topic. We'll see a few more questions until the concept is clear. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll end this class here.